Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer images with Canva, complete guide step by step clearly. Open Canva and log into your account. Select the design type you want to create. Once in the design interface, locate the Uploads tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Uploads tab to start importing your images. To upload images, click the Upload Media button. Choose the image files from your device that you want to transfer. Wait for the images to upload completely. Once uploaded, your images will appear in the Upload section. To use an image in your design, simply drag and drop it onto your canvas. You can resize the image by clicking and dragging the corners. To move the image, click and hold it, then drag it to your desired position. If you need to edit the image, select it and use the toolbar that appears above the canvas. Apply filters, adjust brightness, or crop the image as desired. To layer images, make sure to select the image you wish to move. Right-click to access the layering options like Bring to Front or Send to Back. Once satisfied with your design, click the Download button in the top right corner. Select your preferred file format for export. Click the Download button to save the image to your device. Your Canva design with the transferred images is now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.